Hi, in this presentation I will show you how to use the Advanced Message Maker to make messages. So you can find it in the Tools menu. It's called Advanced Message Maker, and after starting it you will see all the opened projects listed, and you can select one or more. I only select one because I have only one project open and I only tested it for one project, but it should work for more projects. So when you have selected one project, you scan it with the Scan Projects button, and then it goes through all the classes of this open project and recognizes the actors, the transmit messages, the receive messages, and the send messages. And for message creation, when you choose this tab, the receive message, you see all the possible candidates for the receive messages. Here all the possible candidates for the send messages, and here all the possible inputs that you can choose for the transmit message. So first let's make a receive message. When you want to make a receive message, here you see the actor names and the public member VIs of these actors. If you want to make a receive message, it's good to choose a VI which has inputs, because then we will use those inputs as the data types of the message. I already have created two property access VIs in both A and B actors. These are both called write and read paths here, and I suggest to choose the same name for the controls and the indicators that you want to connect, because then it will be automatically routed in the transmit message. If not, then you should make this routing, but it's not a big task, only you should know about it. So let's choose this write path in the A actor as the base of the receive message. We just have to press create, and it starts to create the messages. As you have seen, it used the path as the private data control, as the member of the private data control of the new message, and it's ready. We can find it in the messages subfolder of the A actor, and we have made a receive message, so we find it in the receive messages, and it's here in the write path virtual folder. This is the message that we have just created. You see there is the path, it's routed into the message object and sent, and in the do method we will see the VI that we have chosen, that is this write path. Let me open it, and then you can see the name. Okay, let's make a send message. For the send message, let's do it for the B actor, and let's choose this read path because it has output, and then we will use the outputs of this message as the data type of the new message. When we create a send message, it takes a longer time because we also have to, you see here, it's inserted into the B actor's private data control. The child information about the message that will override the abstract message. And when we use the message injection message, that will update this data in the private data of that actor. So what has been created is, in this B actor we have a wrapper which does everything for us to send a message. That is the send read path, and here you see this receive queue. You can choose what receive queue to use. The injected receive queue, which will be injected by the message injection, or the caller's queue, or to the same actor that uses this one, or a custom chosen queue. I always use the injected one. If you find it useful, change it, use it. If you don't find it useful, send me a note that it's not necessary to be included, and I will remove it if no one needs it. So here, as I explained, this VI access is the child information from the actor, and this VI access is this pass information from the actor, and here we send it with this VI, with this send dynamic dispatcher read pass VI. But now it's only an abstract method. It contains nothing. We don't really send anything, and it will be overridden by the transmit message that we will do just right now. There are other parts of this send message, as you can see it here. This is this read pass. So here is the abstract message class and the message injection message class. And if we go to the transmit message tab and scan again, because we have to refresh the view to see the newly created messages. We see now the read pass as the send message, and the write pass as the receive message. Yeah. It would be good if you would see what actors do these messages belong to. Maybe if you also would find it to be useful in the next release, I will include that information also. So this is the sender, this is the receiver. We have to find another actor, which is the transmitter, and this actor is a special actor because it will receive the messages from the send and transmit to the receive message. And this actor has to have a special VI, this message routing VI, which you have to select manually. And it will automatically open up the folder of this actor, this S mediator, and I already have created it in this example. This is this get the receive queue, and you can make it by yourself. You can use the one that I have supplied in this example. All it has to do is when it receives an actor ID, it should give back the appropriate receive queue. And if you have all these 4 inputs selected, the send message, the transmit actor, the receive message, and the message routing VI, then you can create the transmit message. And now, as it is done, it's located in the S mediator actor. In the actors class, you will find a transmit write VI, which is an intermediary VI. You don't have to call it directly. It calls the receive message, the send VI for the receive message. And what you have, what we will use later on, this is this transmit class. Yeah, so this is the message that we have created, and this sendDD VI will get executed when you call in the B actor the send read pass. And why? Because this is a child class of the abstract class here. This one. Let me show you. Sorry, this one, because this is sorry. The read pass is what we have just created. So this is the child of this one, and when this VI is called, this will get executed if the message injection was successful. So this is the way how to make messages with the advanced message maker, and you already could have seen from the explanation of this example project how to use it. I hope you understood everything, and if you need anything from me, in the community page you can send me messages and you can post your experiences. You can ask anything you like. I hope you like it and find it useful. Bye.